What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we have something incredibly special for you. We have a world champion yo-yoer. Gentry, what's your last name? Stein?
Yeah.
This guy right here. Darren's trying to teach him skateboard tricks, and he's teaching him yo-yo tricks. So they're like, let's back and forth.
Darren's got some skills already, though. Darren's better with the yo-yo than I am at skating.
I thought you were saying he was better at the yo-yo at first. I was like, that cannot be true. So we're gonna find out if a yo-yo can break an iPhone XS today. We're gonna do a plastic one first and then a titanium one. Should be pretty interesting. Do you think the plastic one will break the iPhone? Do you think the metal one will break the iPhone? Let me know. 2 polls in the top right. But before we do that, we're gonna check out some of Gentry's yo-yo skills. So take it away.
Don't hit me in the face, but as close as you can to my face. No! He wants me to get hit.
Wait.
Okay. Right in the tip of the nose, right? I'm so afraid. I literally. Oh, look at this! What is that? He's dancing with a yo-yo. That's crazy. Oh!
Did he just jump rope that yo-yo?
He just jump rope that yo-yo.
What?
It's like a flashback to like the 90s recess.
Oh my goodness.
Some wildness.
That is not actually possible. Inception, the movie, has just became a real thing. Because I'm inceptionized right now. I don't know if that's a word. I made it out. That's how I feel. I wasn't expecting this at all.
How do you feel trying to break a $1,000 phone right now?
Man, I think I can crush it, but I'm a little scared. I feel weird breaking it.
I hope that's straight. Is that straight? It's probably at an angle.
It is.
That's pretty good. I think it's
close enough.
It's on there. It's on there really good, I think.
Yeah,
So I think
just-
we'll be all right. iPhone XS here, plastic one, titanium one. Here we go. Let's do this. Plastic yo-yo, attempt number 1. Here we go.
All right.
Hit his camera.
Oh, no! I just knocked it off.
It's okay.
All right, dude. Let's see the damage. I don't think you did much.
No.
I think it was a miss. Yeah. So we're good. We're gonna remount it. Attempt number 2. Here we go.
Recording to record. I think you got a little tape in there.
Let's see if this works better.
It's gonna like. I think that worked perfectly.
I'm like kind of nervous how to hit it. All right.
Give it.
Oh! That looked like something. What frame rate are we at right now?
5,000 frames per second.
Oh,
You can actually see it.
That left a chasm.
Right in the Face ID sensor,
I know,
too.
right?
Like, boom! Face ID is definitely not going to be working on that phone going forward. Actually, we should probably test it.
Yeah, because you can't.
Check out the damage.
No, that's a lot of damage.
Really, really cracked. I am really surprised. I didn't think it'd be nearly that bad. Okay, so it's right on the section where the Face ID is. Let's go ahead and see if Face ID still works. Face ID has been disabled. The problem has been detected with the True Depth camera.
What's wrong with the camera? It's perfectly fine.
Literally just broke the Face ID. Let's see if the front camera works, Stu.
That's some precision right there.
Front camera appears to also have been destroyed. This is a man that likes Touch ID, not a fan of Face ID. This is not your typical plastic yo-yo. That is for sure.
That's a sturdy plastic yo-yo.
Yeah.
I still can't believe.
A plastic yo-yo.
Plastic yo-yo. Shatter. This is before we even get to the titanium one, dude. And this is also the initial lighter whip. We were gonna try doing a heavier whip still, and we broke it with the lighter whip and with the plastic one. Oh my God. I definitely thought it was not gonna break. Plastic yo-yo attempt number 3. Here we go. Let's do it.
That hit. Did it hit? That was on. That was spot on.
All right, here comes the yo-yo.
Nice. That was a
Hits the phone. Hits the phone first, admittedly. And I think the phone just took the impact. It didn't take any damage. Pretty sure. I think. Oh, there goes.
No! It said no damage, suicide phone.
Maybe it was just my throw. Maybe I just need to hit some.
Yeah, it's just weak. You
There
were
we
just
go.
weak.
Yeah, there we go.
just-
Get in there. Come on.
Power up a little bit.
You need a lot more of those, bud. No, I'm kidding.
No damage in the middle section yet. We're gonna go ahead and give the plastic yo-yo another try. Attempt number 4! Hiya!
Oh!
Solid hit.
Okay, here comes that yo-yo.
Oh, and right there.
It's a perfect hit, dude.
Damn.
And it's just fine.
You could see the glass like flex on that one.
It was a good hit. Perfect aim. All right, so the yo-yo is holding up fairly well. Like, sorry, the yo-yo.
Yeah, you said I wasn't.
You're laughing at me. The yo-yo is holding up great, guys.
It is, I mean.
The glass cracked on the very first hit, but then it survived now 2 or 3 direct hits to the middle of the glass. So we're gonna try with more force with a whip action. Can you demonstrate what we're gonna try this time?
Yeah, like an around the world.
Like boom, boom. Yeah, it's gonna be like,
You're basically gonna bludgeon the phone.
Hammer.
It should-
That's what's gonna happen. He's gonna bludgeon the phone.
it should be a lot more power than just a straightforward
Yeah,
whip.
yeah.
We'll see if the plastic one's gonna be able to really completely shatter the middle section.
Are you gonna nay that whip or just whip it?
Attempt number 4 or 5, 6. So we're on 5? I think we're at 5.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh!
Hit it?
That's gonna be so vicious. That was so close. You got so. Oh my gosh.
Yo-yo okay? I mean, dang.
That's.
Attempt number 7,
I think so.
6, number 6 or 7, not sure.
Oh my
Did I miss it again? Did you miss it?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. I think it would be. I think I dented the table.
There we go.
No.
Oh, the same spot. Exactly the same spot.
Look at these dents in the table. These are insane. Oh, you can feel them like just really hard indentions. Dude, you just gotta like aim a few inches over and we're gonna be, I'm pretty sure, covered in iPhone dust.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez, dude, like that indentation is so ridiculous for a yo-yo. This is showing that this might be a good anti-zombie weapon.
That's what I was thinking. I was literally gonna
Zombie
say that.
survival, like, oh my
Oh my gosh.
Bam, son.
Oh.
Does it hit the phone? Right on. Oh, it
barely.
It barely hits the corner. Oh man, so we need to get a better shot still, but look at that phone flipping up. That looks awesome.
Oh! Yes!
Yes,
That
there we
was
go.
it.
That yo-yo is very damaged at this point.
Is that glass in there? Or is
I think that's just the plastic.
There's definitely some like pieces of glass though, because now it's on my thumb.
Oh, wonderful. All right, let's take a look at the Phantom clip. Here it comes. Oh, my God.
Last for
Look at that. The back, the front, it's all shattered
Yeah.
so much.
Just a sea of glass and
It's
destruction.
a winter wonderland.
It's amazing. And there goes the iPhone.
Oh, there goes in the background. Nice. That's like in Super Smash Bros. Where you knock them off the map and they go in the background, you know?
I got
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
I got
yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Can you believe this was just hit with a yo-yo?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Dude, you did this. This guy's
Yes.
work right here.
It's masterpiece.
And the front! Oh my!
You still got some apps. You can hit the mail.
I can't believe a plastic yo-yo did this. Let's see if I can still tap on anything.
Are you joking?
That's crazy. But seriously, that's insane. This is one of the most satisfying crunches of an iPhone we've had in a while, I think. I just can't believe there's this much damage with a freaking plastic yo-yo. Like, what? This is ridiculous. This is a heavier duty yo-yo than we were anticipating.
It is, yeah.
We're gonna try it now with the titanium yo-yo, which is even about the same weight, but more dense and sharper. So now the special thing about this titanium yo-yo is that it will spark on certain surfaces, and we're really curious if it'll actually spark when we hit the iPhone. Here we go.
Oh, that was a good one.
Let's see if we get any sparks at all, all right? Looking. No sparks. Lots of glass though.
Loads of glass.
Oh my God.
More glass with every hit.
How is it every time it's just, there's new fresh glass? How is all the glass not gone yet?
That's a lot of glass that time.
You can see the wireless coil, the outline of it starting to emerge from the back, the circle there. And big chunks of glass are just completely missing at this point. And for the front, will it turn on at all? It still turns on just a little bit. Like you can see the backlight and the edge of the background on the left side there. That's freaking amazing that it'll turn on at all at this point.
That was
There
the
we go.
one. That was freaking perfect.
That's gotta have done something. Okay. The boom! Right in the middle, dude. Ah, it's a perfect shot. Nice one, dude.
I think that's one of your best shots of the night.
Yeah, I feel like most of the glass is kind of gone at this point.
It's like half the glass is
Yeah.
just on the table and it's like bouncing up in the air every time we hit it. That was a gorgeous shot. Nice job, sir.
Thank you.
Boom.
Awesome.
Still works.
When he presses it in, part of the screen lights back up again. That is crazy. Look at that. That's amazing.
So essentially we could just do a screen repair.
Darren and Gentry are gonna be working on a yo-yo trick shot compilation over on Darren's channel. Go check it out. And then Gentry is also offering these yo-yos for sale over on his website, gentrystein.com. I'll have a link in the video description down below if you wanna go check it out. That's it for this episode of GizmoSlip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Chad, Gentry, Darren, and Brandon out. Woo!